I'm going to show you how to get your learners onto our Child Protection Awareness course for support staff and volunteers. Because this course is designed for a broad range of learners who have different technical backgrounds or educational experiences or even language needs, we've made the system really direct and straightforward in order to get them onto the course. So first thing you're going to do is log into your organization account. And so I'm just going to do that right now. And you'll notice that a dialog box is going to pop up. If you look on this side of the dialog box, it'll show you exactly how to get learners onto the course. But let me take you through it directly just so you understand. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll down the page. Okay? And here we're going to go to the courses section. In order to get your learners onto the system to use our Child Protection Awareness course, they need a code. Okay? So what you're going to do here is you're going to go to the course, you're going to choose awareness, and then you're going to choose the language for the course. Just to make life easy, I'm going to choose the English one. And then I'm going to generate a code. And you'll notice that you're given a URL and a QR code. In order to get your learners on the course, you give them either one. So either the QR code or the URL based on how they best use the technology. This code is what we call a course code. So you're going to give this same code to every member of your staff that is going to take that course using that language. And all they have to do to get onto the course is to visit this URL. So I'm going to do that right now. So let me copy the URL. I'm going to start a new tab, and I'm going to paste the URL here. They can click on it. They can scan the QR code, whatever that is. It's going to take them to the front door to the course. And you'll notice that in order to get into the course, all they have to do is type in their name and press begin. So there's no usernames, there's no passwords, there's no email addresses. And multiple people are going to use the same course code, okay? Now let me do that again, but I'm going to change the language. Let's say that we want it in Mandarin, okay? So I'm going to generate a new code. You'll notice the code changed. I'm going to copy the URL. And come up here and I'm going to visit that URL. And now you're going to notice everything is in Mandarin. Our experience for the learners in terms of their language and the accessibility, it starts from the very beginning for them. So they get Mandarin from the very beginning all the way to the end. And again, all they have to do to start the course is to type in their name and press begin. What this will do is it'll take them directly to the course where everything will be in that language of instruction. So you'll notice all the text, all the labels, all the content is in Mandarin for this particular one. You'll see that their name is here, the language they're using, and then your school's name is here, or your organization's name. This shows that they are connected to your organization. The last thing you'll notice is this. So every single learner is given an individualized learner code. Remember that we gave them a generic course code to get started, but the system gives them a specific learner code. This is only for them and only for their particular session. So let me just copy this real quick. If they have this code, they can pause and resume the course. So they don't need to come to you for help getting back on the course if they need to take a break or pause or they lose internet or something. So they press the blue button to get started. And now you'll notice again, everything is in Mandarin.
欢迎使用在线儿童保护课程。
Now let's assume that they did lose internet. As long as they have that code, which I copied here, they're able to come back and resume exactly where they left off. All right. So they do not need an account on the system. They don't need any special access. They just need to keep this code. And we tell them to do that in the course. All right. So just as a brief summary, in order to get learners on the course, you have to give them a code, and you are going to give the same code to multiple people. So every Mandarin speaker at your organization that's a volunteer or a support staff who is going to take the awareness course will use this code in order to get it into Mandarin. They will use a different code if they were going to say take it in Arabic, but you use the same course codes for every single learner. All right. When they take the course, all they do is type in their name and press begin, and then they're able to take the course. They need to have their learner code. And as a special aid to everybody, if they lose that learner code, you can go into the learner section and copy it right here for them so they don't lose any progress and they can resume wherever they left off. If you have any questions about this course or any of our courses, please email info@childsafeguarding.com. Thank you very much.